Hello, class. Today we're going to learn how to evaluate algebraic expressions and formulas. So, to evaluate our algebraic expressions and formulas, all we do is we substitute our variable with the value given. So let's look at our first example. We have the expression w times 2 plus parentheses 8 plus w divided by 2. I'll write this here. Now, the key here is we know what our variable's value is. It says that w equals 6. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute 6 everywhere I see a w. So ready? W times 2, I'm going to replace that with 6. And then 8 plus w, I'm going to replace the w again with 6. So now that I've replaced all my variables, now I just solve. Now remember, you need to follow your order of operations. So looking at my equation, I see that parentheses come first. So 8 plus 6 is 14. Now, going from left to right, the next thing I see is 6 times 2. Multiplication. So I have 6 times 2 is 12. Now, on going over to my right, I need to do my division first. So I have 14 divided by 2. So now I need to solve in order. So 14 divided by 2 is 7 plus 12. Now I get my final answer, 19. Looking at my next example, I see that I have 3 variables that I now need to replace. So I'm going to rewrite my equation, substituting my values for my variables. Ready? So A equals 4. So I'm going to write 4. Then I have parentheses, 7 minus, and then B here, B equals 5. Now notice I have my exponent. All right, then divided by C. Now C's value is 2. So I'm going to write in 2 in place of C, plus 2. Now that I've replaced all my variables, all I need to do is follow the order of operations and just solve now. So we know, looking, that parentheses come first. So 7 minus 5 is 2. We have 4, 2 to the second, divided by 2, plus 2. So now we know that my exponents come next. So 2 squared is 4. So I have 4 times 4 gives me 16. 2 squared is 4. And then 4 times 4 is 16 divided by 2 plus 2. I know that my next step is division. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. And then 8 plus 2 is 10. So my final answer is 10. Now, looking at my last example, again, I'm just going to replace the variables with all the given values. So here it says evaluate the expression 3 plus x parentheses 12 minus y divided by z. Now my variables values are x equals 11, y equals 9, and z equals 3. Sorry, y equals 9 and z equals 3. So all I'm going to do is plug in my values for all my variables, and I'm going to write my new equation. Ready? So 3 plus, now we know that x equals 11. So I'm going to write 11, parentheses, 12 minus y equals 9. Then we have divided by z is 3. Okay. So now all I got to do is follow my order of operations. So first is my parentheses. So first I do 12 minus 9. I have 3 plus 11. Parentheses 12 minus 9 is 3. Okay. So now I follow my order of operations left and right. So 3 plus 11 times 3. 11 times 3 is 33. Divided by 3. Next, I see the division is my next step. So I keep going. I have 3 plus 33 divided by 3 is 11. So now I'm done and all I do is solve. So my answer is 14.